the one feature that I forgot to attach over here is, like, if I'll turn off the bottom body, you can see if this is the top body, how you are going to attach it with the walls, right? So definitely we need two holes on this face. So by using that holes, we can screw this piece, we can fix this piece on the wall. So for that, what I will do, I will move my cursor. Here you can see there is a timeline. This is known as timeline cursor. So I will move it one step back, and if I will move it one step back, you can see my buddies folder are again active, because the last step that we did was to convert my bodies to components. So I just moved it one step back. So again we are back when we were in a state when in our design browser there were two bodies, right? Now I will turn off the bottom body and I can only see the top body. Now I will activate my create sketch tool. I will select this internal face as a sketch face. Now I will turn on my center diameter circle tool, and first I will create some circle over here of any size, and then the second circle over here. Now I will make sure that both of these circles are aligned with this center point, right? So for that, I will activate this horizontal vertical constraint tool. I will click on the origin of this circle, and this origin point. Now all three of them are aligned with respect to each other. Here you can see this constraint symbol shows that all three of them are in a straight line. Now I also had to make sure that both the circles are of same size, same diameter. So there is another constraint that says equal constraint. So if I'll activate this constraint, and if I'll click on the circle perimeters, both of them now just got applied with the equal constraint. Now if I press escape to come out of the tool, and if I will change the size of this circle, here you can see if I'm changing the size of this circle just by dragging, the size of other circle is also getting changed, because both of them just got applied with a relation constraint, that is equal constraint. I will activate my sketch dimension tool. Here you can see I had activated the sketch dimension tool. I will click on any one of the circle, and I will drag outside, and I will specify the diameter of it. Let's say I want to use 3 M3 screws, so I'm taking 3.2 mm hole size. I will also specify the distance of these circles from this origin or from the edges. So any way you can do, I will activate the sketch dimension tool again. From this point to the center point of the circle, I will drag outside. Let's say I want to keep this 35, something like this. And the same on the other side. Let's say if I want to keep 40, I will press enter. So this way I had specified the exact position of these two circles. I will click on the finish sketch, and these two circles we got. I will activate my extrude tool again, and I will select both of these profiles, circle profiles, and I will extrude it towards the opposite direction, so it is making a through cut on this body. If I'll press OK, you can see we got two holes on this body. So by using these two holes, we can attach this piece onto the wall, right? Now I will move my cursor towards the one step forward again, and the moment I moved it, again both of them just got converted to components. So here are my two components. Now